Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to share files between your two Windows laptop, even your both laptop is not connected with the same Wi-Fi network. So this is my laptop 1 and this is my laptop 2. So first I will show you the Wi-Fi connection in my laptop. So as you can see guys, this laptop is connected with different Wi-Fi network. Now my other laptop is connected with the other Wi-Fi network, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, so here is connected with Jio and here is connected with net. So now let's see it is possible or not to share the file between these two laptops. So for this guys, you need to download and install one simple tool on your both laptops. So just in your browser here you need to search quick share and scroll down and find out you need to download and install this simple tool. On in the same other laptop, open any web browser, just you need to download and install this quick share application. Okay, and then after download just install it and press the Windows key button, and here you need to search quick share this. Okay, and then open it. So for example, I want to send the file from this laptop to this laptop. Okay, press the Windows key button and simple, here you need to search quick share. Okay, after searching guys, if you want to send any file, you can drag and drop your file, or you can easily right click on your file. Okay, so I will drag and drop the file. So here is my one image file, so just simply drag it and drop it in the quick share. So wait for a few seconds, it will detect the name of your other laptop. So make sure you need to enable the Bluetooth on your both laptop. So if the Bluetooth is disabled, just need to enable it. Okay, like this. Also you need to check this keep everyone mode on all the time. As you can see guys, my laptop name is showing here, so just simply select this, so it will send the one prompt on other laptop to receive it. Okay, as you can see guys, so just click on accept button, start receiving the file, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, the file sharing or sending will depend on your file size type, you need to remember this. Okay, so like this you can easily able to send any files, document, videos, images, anything from one laptop to another laptop. Okay, so that's it guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.